What is up, guys? Today we are going to be playing Rivals, but I have to use assault rifle only, okay? So let's get out the shooting range. Okay, now let's get some puddle pass. And if we lose a round once, the video is over, alright? So, just, oh wait, I might actually lose him. This might be the end of the video already. It's gonna be like 1 minute long. Alright, I'm about to use this. So, boom, fuck name. Oh my god. Okay, wait, what the he hacking. Well, no, he's not. I thought he was hacking for a second. I'm dead. I am dead. Boom. Why is my aim assist not working? Oh, shiz. No, why wasn't my grenade not working either? Hold on. Oh, boom. Bro, that could have been so... Oh my gosh. Bro, stop. Boom. Boom. Okay, got him burning. Oh, wait, is he using a knife? I don't know. Oh, shiz. Ooh, that was a close one. Oh my gosh, I could have died. Okay. So, boom, go over here and then go over there. Boom. Fucking it. Is he AFK? Oh, no, he's not. Oh my gosh, bro, he's lasering me so much, bro. I need to unlock the katana too. Oh, I just lost. Now he's taking, bro.
Dino nuggets.
Who just said it's so bad? But that's not what makes the fun. Oh, boom. Put a pen, boom. No, oh no. I might die. I'm dying. I'm about to die. Oh, Ah! Bro. No, I'm about to die. Oh, crap. Ah, help me. Oh, no. Dang it. Stop. Yeah. Bro, who keeps saying bots? Bro, who keeps saying... I'm dead. The video's about to be over. Swear to God. The video about to be over. I swear. Boom. Broken A. I'm dead. All he does is just take one more damage and now I'm dead. See? Oh my gosh, I can't even do anything, bro. So boom. Then he's going to boom. Right there? Okay. Oh, dang it. Then he's gonna come up here. Side flip. Boom. Okay. Get some flare gun. That's nice. Oh no. See, he's in like crossbow or something. You said?
Jameson.
What?
What did you eat today, babe?
What?
What did you eat?
I don't know. I ate Oreos and pretzels.
Oreos and the crackers.
No, Oreo and the pretzels.
And the pretzels? Okay.
Yeah. I'm dead, guys. Guys, the video's about to be over. GG, bro. GG's, bro. I'm sorry, guys, if this is a short... Okay, yeah. Alright, guys. Okay, the video's over. I'm gonna... So, yeah. Wait, let's see if I get something good. Let's see if I get something good before the video ends. Alright. Okay. Ooh, let's go. I gotta pull my sniper. for a sniper. What the frick? Why is it going on like that? No, I'm thinking. Oh, wait, the paint? That one looks so good. How many snipers and how much targets do I have? 3? Yep. But I could have bought all that stuff, bro. Especially a sniper skin. That's cool. And that's cool too. And grenade. That's cool. And then yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. But if you don't want to, it's okay. But I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. And